Good morning children. Today next topic is electrophilic substitution reaction. To understand the electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarine, first of all I will explain you resonating structure of chlorobenzene. Beta resonation you all know. So resonating structure of chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene, right? So what will be its resonating structure? It will be like this. You see, position of double bond has altered. So if this is first resonating structure, this will be second resonating structure. Now we have to understand how the mechanism of resonating structure changes. Okay? So what I will do? First of all, I will draw chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. How many atoms? How many electrons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Correct? So do you see? This lone pair of electron will be transferred here. So this pi electron will come here. When this lone pair of electron comes here, there will be shortage of electron in fluorine. So plus charge will be there. You see plus charge? Plus charge will be there. Then next step. Next it is Cl, 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, 4 electron. When the electrons have moved this side, it will be like this. And here, this will be like this will be like this. And this pi electrons have moved here, so minus charge would be there. Correct? Next is see carefully the structures. Now double bond is here, Cl is here, 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, 4 electron, here plus charge, then here, okay. Now this minus electrons will be moved to the here and this pi electrons will move here. What will be there next figure? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus charge. Now these electrons have moved here, so pi bond will be formed here. Correct? Do you see? These electrons have moved here, so pi bond will be formed here. These electrons have come here, so here minus charge would be there. Right? And this will be as such. Next is one, 2, 3, 4 plus charge. Now this story is over. Now these two electrons, okay beta? So this will move here and pi electrons to this corner. Can you see? So what will be there? These electrons have moved here, so here double bond will be formed. And these electrons have moved here, so here minus charge with 2 electrons. So next step would be, is it visible to you all? Next step will be, you see, this bond is as such, this bond is as such, fluorine is there, but what will happen? This will form double bond here, these electrons will move here. Okay. So double bond, one double bond, second double bond and triple double bond will be formed here because pair of electrons has moved here. Okay. So obviously all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So can you find children? This is figure number 1. Alternate double bonds position is changed. Okay? So this is the resonating structure of chlorobenzene. समझ में आया? Then what we will see, these structures, the chlorobenzene has electron density on ortho and para position. Ortho and para positions have more electron density. Can you see children what I am writing here? Ortho and para positions have more electron density, more electron density than meta position. So haloarenes have ortho and para directing effect. Ortho and para directing effect. Correct? Now I will tell you the reactions of haloarene. Let me write halogenation. Halogenation. What reaction I will write, you know? Chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. Alternate double bonds are there. Chlorobenzene will react with Cl2. Okay. So halogenation will take place in presence of anhydrous FeCl3. Correct? So what reaction will take place here? एक क्लोरो तो पहले से है, so another chloro will join, another chlorine will join. So what will be the structure here? Cl, ortho position, Cl plus two positions will be occupied, two compounds will be formed, that is this and this, chloro, and this is ortho, meta, para. Do you remember children? Para position. So here Cl. What will be the IUPAC name of this compound? 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Is it visible to you all? Okay. So 1,2-dichlorobenzene. इसको ये कम अमाउंट में बनता है. So this is minor product. Right? Here 1,4-dichlorobenzene. IUPAC name. Okay. So ये ज़्यादा अमाउंट में बनता है. So it is known as major product. Easy. Two products will be formed. 1,2-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene. 1,4 वाला भी मेजर रहेगा, ध्यान रखना, बड़े नंबर वाला मेजर ध्यान रखने के लिए. Second reaction after halogenation we will write nitration. Nitration reaction. Chlorobenzene प्लस, जब भी नाइट्रेशन देखो तो तुमको पता है यहाँ पे HNO3 लेना पड़ेगा and in presence of concentrated H2SO4. H2SO4. So what will form here? Look here. Chloro is already there. Right? So nitro will be added. So on first position ले लो ortho, that is nitro. So what will be the name of the compound? 1,chloro-2-nitrobenzene. 1,chloro-2-nitrobenzene. This will again be minor product, यानी less amount, plus. Any guesses what next compound will be formed? Yes, no need to guess. It is 1,chloro-4-nitrobenzene. 1,chloro-4-nitrobenzene. This is major product. This will be minor product and this will be major product. 1,chloro-2-nitrobenzene and 1,chloro-4-nitrobenzene. Next reaction which I am going to show you, that is sulfonation reaction. Let me rub the board. Sulfonation reaction. These reactions are very easy to learn. Only resonating structure you have to practice more. sulfonation reaction. The sulfonation reaction make the benzene, chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene plus sulfonation है तो क्या लेंगे H2SO4. So what it will form? Chloro will be at its own position. Double bond same. SO3H. What is the name of the compound? Benzene sulfonic acid. Correct? So कैसा benzene sulfonic acid है? ये first हो गया ये. Now this will take the position 1. So this is carbon number 2. 2-chloro benzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid. Understood children? ये वाला acidic group will be in carbon number 1. This will be again minor product and plus अब कौन सा पोजीशन आएगा ऑर्थो एंड पैरा बिकॉज दिस हैज ओनली ऑर्थो एंड पैरा डायरेक्टिव इफेक्ट सो लेट SO3H. If this is one position 2 3 4 so what I will write here 4-chloro sulfonic acid. Okay, this will be major product. Correct? This is sulfonation reaction. Understood children? Now we will go for alkylation reaction. Next is alkylation reaction. So make chlorobenzene fast 1 2 3 Cl plus alkyl ऐड करना है ना बेटा तो CH3Cl. So it will form CH3 has to join क्योंकि alkylation होना है. वही दो पोजीशन ले लो फटाफट से. This is chlorobenzene and this is CH3. What will be the name of the compound? 1-chloro 2-methylbenzene. Sorry, 1-chloro 2-methylbenzene plus 1-chloro 4-methylbenzene. 1-chloro and it happens in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. ये भूलना नहीं है. So 1-chloro 4-methylbenzene. This is major product and this is minor product. Till today you have to practice this. Tomorrow I will tell you about acylation reaction and other reactions.